Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to scan your PC for malicious software. We have different type of ways you can actually scan your PC for malicious software, but this one is one of the fastest way you can actually use your Windows to check if your system is being infected or affected by virus. Now, before I continue, please subscribe to my channel. It's one of the way of you helping me and it costs you nothing. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos and like and comment on my videos. Now let's get into it. Go to your search button here, click on it and uh, type or before you even do that, just do Windows R for fastest way and type MRT and press enter. R, type MRT and press enter. It's going to load you to another page like this. Just click yes. Once you click yes, you click next. Then you click as you can see here, quick scan area for most likely contain malicious software. So you can do the full scan, you can do the full quick scan, and you can do the customized scan. Let me do the quick scan now. You can choose anyone you like if you want, and you can actually do this quick scan, and it's going to scan your laptop for several malicious software. If it is a kind of infected with any malicious software, it is going to expose the secret here. So let's wait a little bit for it to complete the scanning. So when it is actually doing this, uh, this is one of the bonus for you. And let me teach you another thing entirely. If you want your computer to boot very fast, just come into Windows 11 logo here if you are using Windows 11. But if you are using Windows 10, just come to the blank page here and right click. But if it is Windows 11, just right click here on your on your Windows button here and click uh, tax manager. Once you click your tax manager, you go to startup. Once you go to startup, once you go to startup, you come here to disable any app that is actually starting up with your laptop. That is starting up with your laptop. Whenever you put on your laptop, this app run immediately after you put on your laptop. You can see my own now. I've actually disabled all of them. I've actually disabled all of them not to start with the laptop because I don't want it. I only want when I put on the application, yeah, I want them to run that myself. I don't want it to run itself. So the last BIOS time for booting up is just 3.7 seconds. So my laptop actually boots up 3.7 seconds when I put it on. You can see how fast is that. And this is one of the help of SSD too because I use SSD solid state drive. I'm not using HDD. I use SSD. So that's one of the benefit of using SSD is it makes your computer very fast, much than HDD, which is hard disk drive. So that's that about that. So after this actually scan finish, then you click next and just cancel it. And if it is actually being infected by any virus, you know. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.